Okay, so we're gonna do the drone experiment. And I have a drone right here. You can see, can you see? Okay, and the insulator I chose is a laundry bag. But as you can see, there's a mesh on the outside wall of the bag. So what I will do is I will put a bin bag onto this laundry bag so that it's insulated from the outside. Or in other words, that air do not escape. Okay, so then we also have a weighing scale here, and we'll first put on a box and put on the laundry bag. The box is for giving an additional height of the laundry bag so that we can read what's on the weighing scale. Okay, and now we're gonna tear. And as we can see now, if we also add this lid to it and tear again, then it's zero reading, right? And if we add the drone inside, and still and we put on this lid. So now it's kind of insulated from the outside. And the measure is 328 grams. That's approximately the weight of this drone. So without the propeller guard, the drone is supposed to be 259 grams. With those two propeller guard, as you saw on the drone, it's about 328. Okay, so now we're gonna start the drone. So as you can see, the propeller already started and the wind is going down. But the reading is still 328. Now we're gonna boost the drone to make it about to fly. But unfortunately, we cannot make it fly and suspend in this case because the drone will crash somehow because maybe the laundry bag is too small, the radius is too small. It actually fits just perfectly inside the drone, I mean. So when the drone starts, it starts with a position like a post like this. So if the inside radius just about to fit the whole drone, then after the drone start like this, it will go all the way to the wall. So then it will crash. So we cannot start and suspend the drone fully, but we can to test. If we give it a boost, then the reading still stays the same, 327. And if we are brave enough, we'll fly the drone, okay? Something happened, you see? So I couldn't do that. Wait, what's this sound? All right, but that's all. As you can see, the reading didn't change. So I suppose this is a good insulator and physics is proven right. Okay, so now what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna show you the reading, the weight of this drone. It should be actually 327, right? Okay, that's a little bit deviation. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the bin bag and the lid so that it's not insulated at all, because as you can see, there are a lot of holes on the walls. So now the air will go out, and if we tear again, let's say 0, then after we start, you can see immediately the reading goes to negative. That's because the drone is actually pushing itself upward, and wind is going to the ground instead of to the inside of the volume. So, and if we boost it a little bit further, we would expect the reading to be more negative, right? You see? That's 12, 16, 20, and now you'll also see why I couldn't launch the drone. You see how the starting, sorry. You see how the starting pose is like this length. Okay, so now everything is proven legit, and the reading is also go accord with the law of physics. All right. So the last experiment is just a small one. We're gonna show that the wind that is being pushed down by the propeller is actually acting not a very small force onto the weighing scale. So as we've already seen, the weight of the drone itself is about 300 grams. And now if we start it, we're just gonna go small adjustment. Suspended on top of the weighing scale, what we'll see is the reading on the weighing scale is about 30 grams because the wind is being pushed down. And if I put my hand here, well, it goes up because of some obstacle avoiding techniques. But I can feel a large force actually, and what's more, that if I will flip this back, you will see all the wind is going inside, and the bag is being extended pretty much completely. That's how big the wind is below the drone. And if you put your phone here, and your microphone should be able to receive a now it's too high, so wait, actually, if we put our phone here, you'll see that our hand is blocking some of the wind, so the reading gets smaller and even to zero. But if we move our phone, then the reading gets to 20, and the drone is always here. And if I lower it, the reading gets larger and larger. Okay. But that's all. Thanks for watching.